Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a group on TikTok so you can chat with multiple friends in one place. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from the App Store or Google Play and log into your account. On the bottom menu, tap on Inbox. This is where your all TikTok messages and notifications appear. In the top right corner, tap the paper and pen icon to start a new message. Normally, this is where you select one person to chat with. And you can also tap the person account. From there, you can also create a group. Now, instead of choosing just one person, select multiple friends from your contact list. Once you have picked everyone you want in the group, tap the chat at the bottom. And that's it. You have created a TikTok group chat. Now all your friends can send messages, video and share TikToks together in one place. In the group chat, you can change the group name, add or remove members and mute notification if needed. This makes it easy to organize your chat with friends or community members. And that's how you create a group on TikTok. It's quick, simple and great way to stay connected with multiple friends at once. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.